I've been in the business for a long time. My client choose me and I get the listing ahead of the time. But now when I'm prospecting the people like they are going to put on, should I approach the attorney or I should approach the executor for the getting the listing? So that's kind of like, that's where I get stuck on the beginning of the part.
So that's, so
I can answer that.
Yeah, let me ask you from your perspective, what's an effective way to get you, now, I don't want 30 people to call Zach later this afternoon or tomorrow for his business, but if you were advising, if you had a cousin or friend who's getting in the real estate business and they wanted to learn probate, how would you recommend them to do business development to get some business?
You can wine and dine me. I like presents. I don't get bribes. No, I'm kidding. When I file a petition for probate, the volume of mailers I get is unbelievable. I probably get 30 to 50 mailers from agents within a week of my petition getting filed and published. So those are all end up in the trash. Once the client has retained me, 95% of the time, they already have a listing agent attached. So that's how they know they need to go to probate, is they call the grandma died and I know I need to sell grandma's house. What do? I call a real estate agent. The real estate agent pulls title and they go, oh, it's in decedent's name. We have to probate. Then they end up with the probate attorney. So more often than not, it's a waste of time to call me. If it's a solo attorney that only handles one probate at a time, maybe you have a better luck. But if you send me a mailer after I've petitioned for probate, that's in the trash.
How many emails do you get for a particular filing? I
have a rule scheduled on my Outlook that it goes into a particular inbox and I don't even see them. So how
many phone calls do you get?
Luckily, I have very good receptionists that field those for me. So I managed to avoid a lot of the harassment, but it is a large volume of people trying to sell the property.
And so you're in one of the most competitive real estate markets in the country, if not the most.
Yeah.
As well as I imagine probate markets as well. So Nazir, to your point, you're in LA, correct?
I'm in Northern California based.
What county?
Contra Costa.
Again, very competitive market. I would point you, are you involved with Chad Corbett's program, Probate Mastery at all?
No.
Free, check out Probate Mastery for everybody here, probatemastery.com. And I host a alumni call for him every Tuesday at noon. But he really teaches, I think, the right way to approach the business as a professional, to be a resource to the industry. Probatemastery.com.